Hello designers, how are you all? It's me, AJ. Today I'm going to show you how to create an attractive motion poster in Adobe Premiere Pro with Parallax mode. It's a part 2 video. In part 1 I showed you how to create this same poster in Adobe Photoshop. If you missed the part 1 video, I strongly recommend you to watch that video. The link is in the description and also it's appear on the iScreen button. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll be back after a short intro. By the way, it's a new intro I made. Please enjoy this. Welcome back. This is the mysterious and powerful world of Premiere Pro. We are going to import our poster image PSD file. To do that, click Ctrl I and select the PSD file. Select individual layer and then click OK. It imports the PSD file as a folder in Premiere Pro. All the layers we made in Photoshop are available in this folder. Start with the background layer, the Havana, then the subject layer, which is our couple. Now we are going to use Parallax mode. Hide the top two layers. Select the background layer. Go to Effect Controls, select Scale and make its value to 110. Then move the line a little bit further. Make it again 100% by clicking Reset sign. Now another mark is created. Take it to the last part. One thing, in Premiere Pro, the speed of the animation depends on the distance between the two markers. It means if the distance of two markers is very small, then the animation will be faster, and on the other hand, if the distance between the two markers are very large, then the animation will be very slower. It's very simple. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. I want slow animation, that's why I keep them far from each other. Now unhide the Havana, go to opacity, then make it 0. A marker is again created. Move the line a little bit further. Click the reset, another marker is automatically created. Now unhide the subject layer. We are going to create parallax mode again. Go to scale and select it. Make its value to 100. For the last part, make it 110. Let's see how is the animation now. Great. Now let's set our two text on the timeline. Now I'm going to use a preset on these two text. If you want the preset, please let me know in the comments. I'll give you the link. Okay, let's just put the another layers of sign into our main timeline. Select them one by one by pressing Ctrl A, then nest them. If you don't know what is nesting, I already made a tutorial on it. The link is in the description and it also appears on the iScreen button. So don't forget to check it out. This video is very informative. Oh, by the way, this is the designer family. If you're new to this family, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and select notification all. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. I'm going to use fade in effect in nested item. To do that, go to Effect Controls, select the opacity value, make it 0, move the marker to the first part. Now click the reset to make it again 100%. Now let's see the remaining layers, which are social media icons and their name, and a light black background. Drag all of them to our main timeline, nest all of them. I'm going to name the nest is link. Now use the same preset on our link layer. And for our rectangular layer, go to the Effect Control, set the opacity as we did before. Let's watch the full project now. Oh, hi. That's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And what do you think about this video and what kind of video you want to see in the future? You can also let me know in the comments. I am always active there. It's a special tutorial video. I always upload this type of video 3 days in a week, and that is Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday. I also upload shorts daily. So if you don't want to miss the update of those videos and shorts, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell button and select notification all. Otherwise, you won't get the all notification of those videos and shorts. So this is the end of the video. It's me, AJ. I'm signing out. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and most important, keep designing.